Hello students, तो previous class में देखते ले electric potential तरह mathematical and physical definition. तो physically हमें कौन कहते ले the electric potential means that is the scalar quantity which determines the direction of the flow of charge. If the charge is positive, then it flows from higher potential to the lower potential. If the charge is negative, then it flows from lower potential to the higher potential. Clear? Next thing हम देख ले mathematically जानी थी ले the potential is nothing but it is the amount of work done to bring a unit positive charge from infinite to that point against the electrostatic force without any acceleration. Similarly, we find the electric potential difference between the 2 points in an electric field. It is the amount of work done to bring a unit positive charge from one point to another point in an electric field against the electrostatic force without any acceleration. Clear? तो आज हमें देखिए the another definition of the electric potential. The electric potential is nothing but it is the negative of the line integral of the electric field. Electric potential is a line integral is the negative of the line integral of electric field. Negative of the line integral of electric field. Yes. How can I show that the electric potential is the negative of the line integral of electric field? Clear? Suppose we consider an electric field region. In the electric field region, suppose we consider this is a path A to B, along which a test charge is moved from A to B. Suppose A to B is an arbitrary path along which the charge moves in an electric field, in the region of the electric field. At any instant, suppose at any instant the charge is at point P. Yes. At any instant of time t, charge code at point P in the electric field. Suppose this is the direction of the electric field lines of force. At point P, when the charge is at this, and at this point the electric field is along this. This is the direction of the electric field. Suppose this is the direction of the electric field. Draw a tangent at this point. This is the electric field direction. And the force that exerts on the charge, आप force करते पड़ेगा, that is called F direction. And the charge is moved from Q to P to Q. Suppose the electric field in this direction, and the field is this direction. So this is your E. Suppose the charge is moved from P to Q through a small distance, let it be dx by dr, through a small distance dr. And within this displacement, consider the force is constant, assume to be constant. Then how much work is done? ताले कितने work done देखो, प्रथम देखो. Suppose consider a test charge. Consider a test charge. Consider a test charge Q naught moves along an arbitrary path AB. Moves along in an arbitrary path AB in the region of an electric field. In an electric field. In an electric field. Clear? in an electric field from A to B. From O to A to B. Clear? तो आम गोटे टेस्ट चार्ज Q नॉट को along this path A ru B को आम कौन कले मूव कले in the field of electric field है तो एबे कौन हम at any instant माने कर it reaches at point P. At any instant the charge Q naught is at P. At any instant the charge Q naught is at P or the charge could has P रे है ना तो what much force exert on the charge P where where E be the electric field intensity, where E be the electric field intensity, where E be the electric field intensity. Clear? Where E be the electric field intensity. Yes. So what is the force exert on the charge due to the electric field? We know. What is the answer? E is equal to E vector is equal to F vector by Q naught, force per unit positive charge. So what is the force? So F vector is equal to Q naught into E. So this is the force that exerts on the charge. So force exerts on the charge. So force exerts on the charge. Force exerts on the charge. Force exerts on the charge. ताले कितने गला? ताले vector is equal to Q naught into E vector. Q naught into E vector. F vector is equal to कितने गला? Q naught into E vector. एबे कौन करीबा? Suppose the charge is moved from P to Q through a small distance कितने गला? Displacement dr. गला? If the charge moves from P to Q, if the charge Q naught moves from P to Q through a small displacement dr, through a small displacement but distance कितने dr है through a small distance dr but displacement जा लिख पारो through a small displacement dr. Clear? So how much work is done? If the charge Q naught moves from P to Q through a small displacement dr by a work further through a small displacement dr. So how much work is done? If dw be the amount of work done, then कौन होगा? dw is equal to then the amount of work done. The amount of work done. The amount of work done. कितने गला? The amount of work done for a small displacement, small work done. That is called कौन होगा? In opposite direction against the force. तले कितने गला? तले F एडी कितने पहले E vector dot F vector dot dr, F vector dot dr vector, F vector dot dr vector. That is both are in opposite direction. तले मैं कौन लिख परिवा? जेतु F and dr both are in opposite direction. तले can write तले F dr cos 180 तले minus F dr. तले F कितना छी? ना Q, that is equal to Q naught E dr. है तले dr है कौड़े? यारे this is the dr vector and this is the field vector. Both are in opposite direction. किंबा we can write as one एमती लिख परिवा. तले F vector है QE Q naught into E vector dot dr vector. We can write Q naught into E of dr both are in opposite direction. This is the E vector, this is the dr vector. we move the charge against the electric field तो कहते हैं गला that is equal to E dr cos 180 जे the opposite direction so we can write minus q naught E dr clear. This is the small amount of work done for a small displacement dr. Now we find the total work done from A to B. Initial point अला A, final point अला B. है ना? हमारे ऐठी कौन दिला initial point P, final point Q. हमें A to B को आने तले total work done to move the charge from P to Q. तले total work done लिखवा तले total work done to move the charge from P to Q. Total work done to move the charge from A to B is given by তাহলে কোন হয়ে যাব the integration of dw 0 to w is equal to yes integration of কেতে গলা minus এটি কোন আছে q e naught e dr ହେଲା তাহলে কেতে রইব এটা from এটা কেতে রইলা that is equal to a to b that is equal to a to b integration from a to b clear. So this can be written as q0 is constant taking outside so that is equal to minus q0 into line integration that is equal to a to b এটা কে দিলা e dr হলা তাহলে q naught into a to dr then this is the total work done w তাহলে w is equal to minus q naught into integration from a to b e dr clear then তাহলে what is the potential তাহলে w by q naught তাহলে electric potential is nothing but that is the work done per unit charge তাহলে the electric potential difference between A and B A of B the electric potential difference between A and B তাহলে V A to B is equal to कहते हैं गला ना W by Q naught তাহলে that is equal to ऐसे divide कर देला minus integration of A to B that is equal to V dr clear है ना ताले potential difference from A to B is equal to W by Q naught is equal to minus है ना और लगे A to B EDR clear. Suppose the মনে করো A is at infinite and B is at some point at a distance R from the source charge है ना তাহলে এটা আমি কোন জানলে রে the potential difference between the 2 points in an electric field is the negative of the line integration from one point to another point তাহলে we can write thus electric potential difference between 2 points in an electric field is कहते हैं ना negative of the এটা কোন করা যায় line integration negative of the line integration of electric field line integration of electric field है ना The electric potential difference between the 2 points in an electric field is negative of the line integration of the electric field from one point to another point. I am like from one point to another. One point to another. Clear? By A to B. So this is your potential difference. Now we define the potential. Similarly, in the terms of electric, the line integration of the electric field. Can you लिखवा? तो माने करो A is at infinite and B is at some distance. Suppose if the point E is at infinite, if the point A is at infinite, if the point is at infinite and B is at P at a distance R from the source charge, তাহলে এটি কোন আসব তাহলে potential at P তাহলে then potential electric potential है ना then potential at P is given by তাহলে কোন আসব তাহলে V is equal to minus है EDR, that is equal to A is at infinite and B is at a distance R from the source charge. So this is the potential difference. This is the potential at point P. আমি লিখতে পারিবা হলা that the potential electric potential at P is given by Vp is equal to negative of the line integration of the electric field when the charge moves from infinite to that point. Clear? তাহলে লিখতে পারিবা তাহলে thus the electric potential at a point in an electric field thus electric potential at a point in an electric field is the negative of the potential is the negative of the line integration is the negative of the line integration of क्या of electric field line integration of electric field line integration of electric field from infinite to that point clear from infinite to that point so therefore the electric potential or electric potential difference is the negative of the line integration of the electric field. Clear? So next time बाहर करिबा the electric potential at a point due to a point charge. What is the electric potential at a point? Electric potential at a point due to a point charge electric potential at a point due to a point charge. Yes. So what is the electric potential at a point due to a point charge? Suppose we consider a source charge is at the origin. Clear? Suppose this is your source charge that creates the field. Source charge that creates the field is at the origin. And creates a field around it. And that field extends up to infinite because A is inversely proportional to R square. Now we consider a point P. This is the point of observation which has the position vector ketela r. अर्थात it is at a distance r from the source charge q. Now find out the potential at point P. Then what is the electric potential at this point P? Hala? Then by definition, the electric potential is nothing but it is the net amount of work done. Hala? So it is the amount of work done to bring a charge from infinite to that point. Clear? Then बर्तन आम बाहर करिबा. The electric potential at a point to a point charge. Suppose a point charge. Suppose a point charge Q is at the origin. Is at the origin, and P be the point of observation, and P be the point of observation. P be the point of observation. P be the point of observation. Whose position vector kete? R. Point of observation. R vector be the position vector. Position vector of kya? Position vector of a point P. Of point P. है ना? तो R vector is the position vector of the point P. एबे कौन हम देखो? तले बर्तन आम कौन बाहर करे जाए इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी एट दिस पॉइंट बाहर करिया को जाए नहीं कि तल जदि एठी पॉइंट P रे कौन हैला R be the position vector of the point P. तल what is the field intensity at point P? Yes, we know 1/4 pi epsilon 0 केते कहला Q by R square into R cap हैला. तल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी at P. The electric field intensity at point P is कहते जो तल E vector is equal to yes 1/4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R square into R cap है ना. The electric field intensity at point P कहते गला E vector is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R square into R cap. तल what is the magnitude? तल E is equal to कहते गला देखिए तल E is equal to है ना 1/4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R square जैसे R vector है ना. तल E is equal to कहते गला 1/4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R square है ना. E vector is equal to 1/4 pi Q by R square into R cap. Tal this is the magnitude and this is the direction. Tal E is equal to T. Now, so what is the potential at point P? We know just before. I mean, electric potential at a point in an electric field is the line integration of the current, negative of the line integration of the electric field when the charge moves from infinite to that point. Clear? तले किन बार करिवा stop my हैला तले let if V is the potential, if V be the electric potential, if V be the electric potential at P, if V is the electric potential at P तले कौन होगा तले Vp is the negative of the line integration of kya E dr where the line integration taken from to infinite to R. Clear? तले the electric field potential at a point is the negative of the line integration of the electric field from infinite to that point R. So now put here the minus integration infinite to R এটা কেটে গেল 1/4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R square into dr. Clear? The minus Q by R Q line integration of 1/4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R square dr limit varies from infinite to R. Now taking the outside कितना हुआ q bahari asla q by 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 taking outside, then line integration of 1 by r square into dr, where limit varies from infinite to r. Clear? And there is a negative sign here. Hello? তাহলে কোন হবে এটি দেখো, তাহলে this is equal to কত হলো, now put here, তাহলে that is equal to minus q by 4 pi epsilon 0. Yes, this is the integration of r to the power minus 2 dr, limit varies from infinite to r. Well, that is equal to minus q by 4 pi epsilon 0 এবং limit r to the power minus 1, that is equal to r to the power minus 1 by minus 1 ହେଲା, minus 2 আছে minus 1, limit varies from infinite to this ହେଲା। তাহলে this is equal to কেতে গেলা minus minus plus, তাহলে q by 4 pi epsilon 0 1 by r, where limit varies from infinite to r. Clear? So now put here the values, that is equal to কেতে গেলা, তাহলে q by 4 pi epsilon 0, the upper value 1 by r minus lower value 1 by infinite, that is equal to 0. 1 by infinite, that is 0. So this can be written as 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r. Yes, this is the potential at a point due to a point charge. Clear? So potential at a point due to a point charge, point charge the q and at a distance r from the charge, so 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q r, q by r. So this is the potential at a point due to a point charge. So let me call paile the electric potential at a point due to a point charge. Yes, kete milla, so electric potential at a point due to a point charge Vp is equal to kete paile 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r. Yes, so let me kon janu chare what we get from this expression. Now the velocity, the potential at a point depends upon q and depends on ka upre r, because এটা আমি air medium রে নেছে, in case of air medium বা vacuum, তাহলে Vp is directly proportional to P, sorry Q. So Vp is directly proportional to Q and Vp is inversely proportional to R. Clear? So Vp is directly proportional to Q and Vp is inversely proportional to R. So if we draw a graph Vp, V versus P, so that is called to Q and this is your Vp, then it is a straight line. If there is no charge, there is no potential, therefore it starts from origin. Next, in case of this, so if we draw a graph, so it is like a R and this is your Vp. So what do we get? जते हमें दूरे दूरे जीवा सकते तुम्हारा कौन होगा, potential decreases and this is the graph, this is है, so this is the graph of Vp versus Q, and this is the graph of Vp versus the distance. The greater the distance from the charge, smaller is the potential. Clear? है, तो इटा हमें कौन जानिले, this is the expression for the electric potential due to a point charge. So remember that if the point charge is positive, then what is the electric potential? If the point charge is negative, then what is the potential? যেহেতু as potential is a scalar quantity, so the for a positive charge, for a positive charge, electric potential is positive. For a potential is positive. For a positive charge, electric potential is positive. That is, the potential at a point due to positive charge 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r. for negative charge, if the source charge is negative, then for a negative charge, then if we consider the source charge is negative, then for negative charge, for a negative charge, है ना, the electric potential is negative. Electric potential is negative. Electric potential is negative. For the positive charge, electric potential is positive. For negative charge, electric potential is negative. अर्थात we can write Vp is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 minus Q by R, or this can be written as minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R. Clear? For a positive, it is positive. For a negative, it is negative. Next, another thing is that if V is inversely proportional to R, the electric potential is 0 at infinite. The infinite place is the zero potential. The infinite place, but the potential at infinite by infinite place or potential at infinite. The potential at infinite by infinite potential is zero potential. The infinite place is zero potential, but potential at infinite is zero. Clear? So these are the next time the potential difference between the two charges. The potential difference of a point charge. How can you find out the potential difference at the 2 points? At the 2 points in an electric field. Potential difference talkin kariba. Tale potential difference. Next potential difference between 2 points. In an potential difference between 2 points due to a point charge. Same thing we can write due to a point charge. Potential difference between 2 points due to a point charge. So how can you find out? Simply, suppose we consider the 2 points. This is your source charge. It is here like Q. Now we consider the 2 points. This is the point A and this is the point B. If we consider 2 points, then what is the potential difference? But if we consider the 2 points on the same line, suppose these are the 2 points. These are the 2 points. So this is the A and this is your B. So this is the distance, let it be RA, and this is the distance from this to this, RB. So what is the potential difference between A to B? Something. Suppose at source charge Q is at origin. Suppose a source charge, a charge Q is at origin. Suppose a charge Q is at origin. A and B are two different points. A and B are two different points to different points. A and B are two different points with a distance RA and RB by having position vectors are two different points at distances RA and RB go to from the charge from the charge q. Clear? So how can you find out the potential difference from A to B? Well, yes, this is the line integration of the current, negative of the line, negative line integration of the current electric field. তাহলে বাহার করিবা তাহলে potential difference between A and B, তাহলে potential difference between A and B ହେଲା তাহলে potential difference between A and B বা B and A তাহলে কি কারণ this is the higher potential, this is the lower potential, তাহলে potential difference between B and E তাহলে কোন লিখবা তাহলে V is equal to VAB ହେଲା that is negative of the line integration from E dr and এটি কোন থিলা হ্যাঁ A to B তাহলে A R A to R B ହେଲା this is the line integration of the current. So this can be written as what is E? তাহলে E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. So that is equal to R A, this is R B and Q. এটা লাগেতে 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R square into dr. Clear? So this is equal to minus 1 by suppose Q by 4 pi epsilon 0. Then limit varies from RA to RB. এটা কেতে গেল dr by r square. তাহলে কেতে যাবে এটা হলা তাহলে this can be written as minus q by 4 pi epsilon 0. yes তাহলে এটা কেতে গেল minus r to the power minus 1 by minus 1 and limit varies from RA to RB. Clear? Well, this is equal to plus Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 and this is equal to 1 by R. That is equal to RA to RB. Clear? Then that is equal to kete gala is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon 0. yes this is upper value 1 by RB minus 1 by RA. Clear? So this is the electric potential at a point due to this is the potential difference between the 2 points in an electric field of a current point charge. তাহলে এটি কোন জানিলে তাহলে সরি এটা হলো কি তোমার ওয়ার্ক ডান, দিস ইজ দ্য ওয়ার্ক ডান হলা ওয়ার্ক ডান করুন এটা হলো তোমাদের পটেনশিয়াল তো তাহলে দিস ইজ দ্য পটেনশিয়াল difference between the কদে between 2 points A and B in an electric field of a source charge হলো Q. তাহলে Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 1 by RA into 1 by RB. তাহলে এটা আমি কোন জানলে রে the potential difference depends upon kaha upare only the path not only sorry does not depends upon the path, it only depends initial and final position of the current the point hala tale ame likhi pariba the potential difference between 2 points in an electric field depends upon the initial and final position of the current depends upon the initial and final position of the points. It depends upon the initial and final position of the point. This is the initial position and this is the final position. আমি কোড কাছে এবং always you remember that আমি the potential বাহার করিবা the amount of work done against the force against the electric field. So this is the potential difference of a current 2 points due to a point charge. Clear? তাহলে আমি দেখিলে potential at a point due to a point charge and potential difference at a point due to a point charge. Suppose there are number of charges are there, the potential at a point due to the number of point charges. Potential at a point, potential at a point due to the number of point charges. The potential at a point due to the number of point charges. Yes, due to the number of point charges. How can you find out the potential? The potential at a point due to the number of point charges. Suppose these are the different point charges. Let it be this is the Q1, this is the Q2, let it be this is the Q3, and this is the point of observation. Now find the potential at point P due to the different charges. Yes, the P lies in the field of Q1, jehetu the field of Q1 extends up to infinite. P lies in the field of Q2, jehetu the field of Q2 extends up to infinite, and P also lies in the field of Q3. So here there are three fields due to the three charges, अर्थात जेतेटा चार्ज सेतेटा field. So how can you find out the potential at point P? So if there are number of charges, then the potential at point P is the algebraic sum of the potential at point P due to the individual charge. This is known as the principle of superposition. कारण एठी हमें कौन होचे potential is a scalar quantity, we add them simple by algebraic modes. हला ताले हमें लिखबा the potential at a point, the potential at a point due to the number of point charges, is determined by using principle of superposition. Is determined by the principle of superposition. Clear? So बड़ा माने रखियो principle of superposition used for a number of charges. The principle of superposition. हला? तो what the principle of superposition? हला? The principle of superposition. तो superposition principle कौन? तो according to the principle of superposition, the principle of superposition states that the total potential at a point, due to the number of charges, is equal to the क्या से तो समान is equal to the sum, algebraic sum, है ना? Sum of potentials at that point due to individual charge, but due to each charge separately. Clear? तो लेट हमें कौन पहले the principle of superposition अनुसार we can find out the electric potential at a point due to the number of charges, and this is nothing but it is the algebraic sum of the potentials at that point due to the each charge separately. आम इंडिविजुअली प्रत्येक चार्ज रो पोटेंशियल बाहर करवा एट द पॉइंट P, देन वी ऐड देम सिंपल बाय algebraic rules because the potential is a scalar quantity. Clear? Suppose there are number of charges. Suppose V1, V2, V3 be the, suppose V1, V2, V3 with the electric potential, with the potentials at a point, potential at a point, due to the point charges, due to the charges Q1, Q2, Q3 dot separately, then if suppose V1, V2, V3 dot be the potential at a point due to the charges Q1, Q2, Q3 dot separately, then according to the principle of superposition, according to the principle of superposition, according to the principle of superposition, the total potential, but the net potential at P is given by the net potential at point P is given by, yes, tell me, the potential at point P is the algebraic sum of the potentials, V1 plus V2 plus V3 dot. If the charge is positive, then we consider the positive. If the charge is negative, we consider the negative. So Vp is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 dot. This is the potential at point P due to the number of point charges. Clear? Then we see next class. So later I mentioned potential at a point due to a point charge and potential difference due to the point charge, potential difference due to a point charge, and the potential at a point due to the number of point charges. Clear?